You know what I notice about being I'm not sure what the exact words are, but like ganang being easily sick, having so many triggers, having the most basic as ordinary triggers like dust, pollen, sa pa, dust mites, mga microorganisms that you cannot see but are in everything. Having these small triggers really forces you to take some rest. Like me right now, mura ko ga flu. You can see that. I look like I have the plague or I'm spreading some sort of incurable disease, but at the same time, it reminds you that your body is temporary and you really have to take care of it because lawas ray puhunan, meaning your body is all that you ever truly have. All the things are very much temporary. The material things, these abstract things are feelings, mga abstract things that we hold on to. These are all temporary. These come and go. Our body too, but it's something that you truly own, something that you don't share with the world. Not the same with this bench at the park. You share it with the park, you share it with the people, you share it with the place. It's not truly yours, even if you go to that bench 100 times, 100 times in one day. Nothing is truly ever yours. The the people, the animals, the food that you forage, the plants that you plant, they're not yours. You're sharing them with the soil, with the sun, with the water, with all the bugs and all the microorganisms living in the soil. Your friends, they're not really yours. You share it with your other friends, you share it with your friends' parents, you share it with other people. Even the toiletries, even your personal items are not truly yours. You share it with your house, you share it with the cabinet where you store your tissues, you share it with the dust in the house. But nothing in this world is truly ever yours. Sometimes you think about it, your body, your body is yours, but at some perspective, you yourself are not truly yours. Like you share it with your family, you share it with your friends, you share it with the people you connect with every day. You share it with the ground that holds you. You share everyone literally shares the same air. Everyone, everything breathes the same air that you do. And it's astounding that even if we have the same things, we live the same way, we have the same needs every day, daily, but we still react and respond differently. Like it depends on the type of person you are, it depends on how much it affected you, how much the situation meant to you, how much the result